Hi, this is Motorola Moto G54 Power and I'll show you how to turn on AOD option on this device. Open first the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge app. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Unfortunately, we have no installed by default AOD option, that's why we should get this application from the Play Store. So after that installing the application, you should tap the open button to open the app, click to draw over apps and tap the Muviz Edge section, click to the switcher and go back. Now just switch Edge lights to AOD and select one from the options, tap to apply. Now let's just lock the device and we could see that this option successfully enabled. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.